What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla G, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing from Sally's. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. This is a hair channel, and I do unboxing when I get hair stuff. You understand? When I get hair shit, I do an unboxing for my hair shit. So, all right. If you see this shirt and this same hairstyle 3 times in a row, it's because I did 3 different videos in the same day with the same hair and the same shirts. Duh. Anyway, so let's just get this open. I got something new, y'all. Like, oh, do I need some scissors? I'm not strong. I'm such a weakling. Oh, hold on. We finna use the pick. Boom. Bust it on in there. The pick ain't working. This is so sad, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm so girly. I got this. I could do this. Come on now. It's a box. Maybe I can't. This is so sad. I'm really struggling. Okay. Boom. I done worked up a sweat. Got it. All right, so let's see what I got. All right, come on, we got it. All right, so this is the African Pie Moisture Miracle Honey and Coconut Oil Shampoo. Okay. Ooh, I have used mostly everything from African Pride. The only thing I haven't used is the shampoo, the pre-poo, and is that it? The shampoo and the pre-poo and the conditioner. I love their heat activated mask, love their oil, love their leave-in, and I also love their curling cream. Y'all know that leave-in and that curling cream, bomb. So I decided to get the shampoo. I don't condition my hair. I either deep condition. I always deep condition my hair, so I did not get the conditioner to this because it would have been a waste of money. I don't condition my hair. I go straight, I shampoo and then I deep condition. Conditioning is just a waste of time, especially if you're going to deep condition. And so, yeah. Okay, so this is supposed to nourish and shine, hydrate and elongates natural coils and curls, sulfate-free, color safe, and all that jazz. Okay. Coconut oil and honey. So let's see. Coconut deeply conditions, hydrates, and helps repair. And honey naturally retains moisture and shine. No parabens, no mineral oil, no sulfates, no petroleum. And I am not mad at this price. Okay, for 12 ounces I paid. Y'all ready for this? I love coming with the receipts. Okay, I love coming with the receipts. Let me look. All right, let's see. Hold on. Total. Where's the total? Where's the total? Like, I'm literally all I see everything but the total. Like, shouldn't it be in? Okay, so here is the total. The total is right here. I paid $3.97. $3.97. I don't think this is an expensive shampoo anyway. I think it's like $5 if I'm not mistaken, but I got it for $3.97. Okay, I want y'all to know something right now, okay? Do not buy products full price. Don't do it. Okay, don't do it. A lot of people ask me like, oh, you need to use affordable stuff on your hair for your subscribers. And it's like, no, my subscribers need to be smarter. Okay, because I give y'all the tools. All you gotta do is do it. You understand? I'm trying to put you on to some information. Some of y'all is hard-headed, but we gon' work past that. Some of y'all hard-headed as fuck, but we gonna work past that, okay? Get the Sally's app, okay? Download the Sally's app, all right? Download it, all right? Okay? Download the app, okay? And you will get notifications that shows you all the sales and what's happening and stuff like that, okay? I don't pay full price for nothing. I can't remember the last time I paid full price for a product. You understand me? Okay? I don't buy product. Granted, I don't buy products like I used to. Like, I really not cut down on my products. But the only thing I buy now is like deep conditioners, shampoos, because that's what I run out of the most, because I use shampoo weekly and I use deep conditioner weekly. So that's the most stuff that I run out of. So I do get more. I buy shampoos and deep conditioners because I be running out of that stuff. But yeah, get the app, get the Sally's app. They'll have all of the sales and stuff, so you can be notified. Do not buy products for the full price. Okay? Wait for the sale. I promise you it's gonna be worth it, and it's gonna be worth it for your bank account as well. You understand? Okay? If you can't afford, $10.99, because I know one girl, she was like, $10.99, that's a little bit too much for me. All right. I didn't pay $10.99. I don't ever pay $10.99 for my Organics. You understand? What I had the shampoo with it. I had the shampoo for this. And she was like, $10.99, that's too much. I'm like, girl, didn't I just tell you I paid $5 for the shampoo? Because I got it on sale. I believe I just said that. See, some of y'all don't be listening. But anyway, whatever. I keep it real on my channel. I never pay full price for my products. Never. Never, 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 never. Never pay full price. Ever. That is, like, I'm trying to put y'all on. I'm trying. If y'all, hold on, let me see. I ain't trying to show my address or nothing. Hold on. I don't want to show nothing that got my address. Okay. Am I good? I think I'm good. Okay. So, I had free shipping. Okay. I had free shipping. So, let me come closer. Where is it at? I can't read backwards. So, okay. The subtotal was $3.59 plus tax, $38. Can y'all see? Subtotal was $3.59. Okay. Plus tax, 38 cents. Shipping, my shipping was free because I have free shipping now with Sally's, and my total was $3.97. Can you see that? $3.97. Stop paying full price for natural hair products. You don't have to, baby. You understand me? All right now. So let's see how they smell. Like, when you want to say I'm obsessed. Like, I love coconut and honey. My hair loves coconut and honey. So, Okay, this smells good. I'm excited to try this on my hair. I'm really excited. And yeah, this smells really good. And I'm not mad at the price. $3. Really ain't mad at the price. And I love African Pride stuff, so I already know I'm gonna love this. And yeah, like I said, the only thing I haven't tried is the conditioner, because I don't need a conditioner. If I wind up buying a conditioner, I'm just gonna use it on my legs when I shave. And the other thing I haven't tried was the pre-poo, because my hair is never that tangled for me to pre-poo. So yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for this gem. It's definitely gonna be on my channel. I'm definitely gonna do a what's called wash day with this. And I think I have some more of my heat mask, so I'll use that as well. And I'll just use the whole African Pride line. How about that? Stay tuned for that video, baby. All right, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Carla Treese. And be sure to make sure your post notifications are turned on. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. I will see y'all in my next one. Merry Christmas. And I love all of you. Thank you so much for allowing my channel to grow. I appreciate y'all. Little girl from Georgia. I appreciate y'all. Bye.